start in.
Break, break, break. Anyone got a copy 144 there? Okay. Okay, friend, therefore Georgia, this is 144. Try to talk with someone as I keep talking. This is 144. I hear a far away on my butt duck 4P station here on South America, Brazil. If you got a copy, give my 10-4. Okay. Okay, I hear a friend from Florida, another friend from South Carolina. Fake propagation are real good for me here on South America. Far away, friend. I hear another girl, I don't know the handle of her, okay? But this is 144. A lot of people calling 144 here. I hear a lot of stations. A lot of stations, loud and clear for me, okay?
Dirty wild boy, South Carolina, USA.
Okay, that white boy from South Carolina and USA. Got cup you here in South America, Brazil, man. You are signal for me S9, okay, friend? On AM, S9 for me here. Far away. Congratulations, about your station there. Hey friend from North Carolina, what's your handle there? This is 144, friend, here on South America, Brazil. We are not Spanish here, we are Brazilians, okay? Hey 302, what's your 290 there? Okay, 302 for South Carolina, got 10-4. Okay, friend. I gotta copy you loud loud and clear for me here on South America. Propagation are good today, Roger. Okay, everyone on channel 40. Okay, this is 144 here on South America, Brazil. Okay, friends, 7-3 for everyone. Okay, bye. Okay, friends, there on USA, I changed the channel for channel 38 on lower sideband for now. Try to do some skip talks with your friends there. Okay, bye for everyone. Worldwide. Hello America, USA. This is 144 on South America, Brazil on standby. This is strange. On AM Everyone with good signal. Super Bowl. Other channels.
Break, break, break. Anyone there got a copy 144, Roger?
144, you got a copy on 123. Downtown Augusta, Georgia. Hello.
Hello, 143 for Georgia. This is 144. Far, far, far away, friend. Far away in another America. This is 144. Here on South America, Brazil, friend. Stand by.
123, Georgia. 123 in Georgia. Got a copy on you. 144, where you located?
Okay, friend, you got a great signal for me here. S9, okay, friend? S9, we are good conditions today, Roger?
So there's more than one guy talking at the same time. Okay, folks, that's it. Enjoy this video. 144 here, South America. Bye, bye, bye.